Let's try different scenes, see what a symphony looks like. Are you tired of staring at the same old boring walls day in and day out? Let's be honest, your space should reflect your personality, not look like a drab office cubicle. I hate that look. Well, get ready to ditch that beige because today we're diving deep into the world of Hexagon Light Panels. These aren't your grandpa's wall decorations. They're cool looking RGB LED hexagon panels that promise to transform any room into a modern and vibrant and frankly awesome space. We're going to put these smart home decor panels to the test and see if they live up to the hype. In this review, we'll break down everything you need to know from the technical specs and what to expect right out of the box. We'll include real-world pros and cons after setting them up and using them for a little while. We'll explore the app and their remote control features, the DIY installation process, the music sync mode, and ultimately, we'll answer the big question, are these Hexagon Light Panels worth your hard-earned cash to finally make your walls look as cool as you are? All right, I'm not going to do a whole big unboxing, but let me just show you what it comes with. Comes with instructions. Here are the Hexagon panels themselves, which I will tell you, I was wondering how I was going to connect them to the wall and what it was going to take. They're very light, so that part's easy. I think the command strips will work fine. I will say they are a little smaller than I expected. And just so you can see, they are USB connecting, but you could connect them in any order you want, so you could get any design that you would like to get with them, which is really pretty cool. We got a remote control and a power supply. What do you say we go put them on the wall, see what they look like? So I'm just showing you, I put them together. I put a couple of different command strips on the back. I think I'm gonna put them like kind of like right here, like this, like that. Let's plug it in. All right, so I had set them up like that when the dog was barking, right? Because it was really cool. He was being a pain in the butt. And it was responding just like, let's say it was music. So we could just do a solid color wheel here, so you can change whatever color you want, like that. Let's try different scenes, see what a symphony looks like. Oh, I think I like symphony. That looks pretty darn cool. Oh, but wait, do I like energy more? Jump around, jump around. Oh, accumulation. I think I am addicted. This is so cool. So if you're looking for really reasonable, cool decoration to add to your look overall, I think this is really cool. It was super easy to set up. The app is really effective. I'm going to give this absolutely a 10 out of 10 on the Doug score. My only recommendation is keep in mind how small it is. Like, let me just show you with my hand. This is my hand, so you need to get yourself a massive kit if you're going to get that, because the tiles are very small. But that being small makes them very light also, which I think is cool. Let's leave with the flow on. All right, anyway, hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.